Hey guys, it's Sarah here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the nursery installation. So far we have cleaned everything out, decluttered, put stuff away in his closet, replaced the trim, painted, put up a new light fixture, and now we are here with this blank space. It's probably super echoey, and I'm going to start putting the stuff that we have into his nursery, which I'm so excited about. All of it is sitting in my office right now, so we're gonna move it on in here and I will take you guys along for that, and then we're gonna have to organize everything. So let's get into it. In case you don't remember, here is our starting place. The walls are freshly painted. We just need to put the outlet covers and stuff back on. And I will show you guys in better light. It's super rainy and dark today, but I will show you what the color looks like in the natural daylight. And then this is his closet. So we need to wash all of this stuff, sanitize, organize, all the things. I actually started assembling his dresser in my office while Adam was painting the nursery. So these are kind of coinciding, this clip and the clip from the last video when he was painting the room. But yeah, this dresser is from IKEA. I can link it below. It does have these soft closed drawers, which was really nice, and I really liked the look of it. You'll see later in the video that I did switch out the knobs so that I could make it a little bit more the style that we were looking for his nursery. I also wanted to note that I put this together for the most part by myself. There were a couple of times that I needed Adam to come in and help me flip things over or something like that, but for the most part I thought it was pretty easy to put together. The same goes for the crib. I started putting the crib together while Adam was at work one day, and it really was not hard. When he got home, there were a couple of things that I needed his help with, but other than that, it was super easy to put it together, and I am obsessed with his crib. This is one of my favorite pieces in his entire nursery.
It slides really easy, Adam.
Oh, it's moving?
Yeah.
Oh, well, now that's on wood, maybe it helps.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was on the, trying to move it on the rug before.
Where's this going?
In that corner.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
Easy.
Super easy.
Whoa, that looks so big in that corner.
You picked it. I mean, as long as, or, like, how does it recline? You just push?
No, in here.
I mean, that's as far as you'll be able to recline if you pull it out further.
Well, you know what? If you guys want to recline it, just pull it out.
Yeah.
And then when it's not reclined, just push it back in.
Yeah, but what if you don't know you want to recline until you're in it?
Well, then you don't get to.
Yeah, you don't get to. You have to get back up and move it.
I think we could even, unless you're like extreme rocking, you can probably move it back a little bit.
Yeah. You're probably not going to be, you know, rocking the world over here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, see, we can probably still move it back a couple inches unless we're doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you're gonna get,
Yeah, you'll still get a lot of rocking. Jeez.
keep it low. We're not behind it.
Can you move out from behind it, Mom?
Yeah.
So, well, how much room do you have? Wait, hold on. We were stuck on this corner.
Yeah.
Come by the trim. Okay, I'm clear on this side, so I can turn.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay. Okay. It has to stay out this far.
How far can it go over that
Well,
way
go
to
out
not
a
stick
little.
out?
Well, we gotta put that register cover back in,
Oh,
and that's gonna stick it.
oh.
I mean, I think we can get about probably to there.
How much do you have to move left to clear it?
Clear it. I'm just at the edge of it now, so I gotta go like another 10 inches.
10 inches?
Yeah.
Can you put the crib this way? Can you put the crib on an angle?
Could you put
No.
a crib here?
Yeah.
We talked about putting the crib there.
And put this there.
We could. Is there more room there than there is there?
This is longer than
Well,
this
and
is.
that's in the corner, yeah. I mean, this would take up, like, right now you have a lot of dead space on the end of that crib.
Yeah. We can try it.
I wanted to do an accent wall on the wall that I thought the crib was going to go on, and now I'm so thankful I didn't do that because, as you can see, we ended up switching the walls that the dresser and the crib were going to go on. So I am very, very thankful that I moved in a different direction.
Oh my gosh!
It's cute.
Oh
here.
my!
It's really cute in here. And
It is really cute in here. And then you put window treatments up there and bada boom, bada bing.
Oh my.
It is really cute in here.
I did switch out the knobs on the dresser because I wanted them to go kind of a little bit more with the decor in his room. So I got this set on Amazon. This is one of the cheapest ways to transform a piece of furniture to make it look a little bit more like the style that you're going for. So this is what the dresser looks like. All right, here's the before. Curtains are going in today. We have those, which you can't really see, and then this, which my mom is about to put in. A little Roman shade. All right, these are the curtains. I'm going to close the window shade as well, just so you can see it. The lighting in here is not the best, but my mom made these panels. We're actually going to replace the rod. We kind of decided we didn't like it, but these are the panels. I just love this fabric so much, and it's just like the perfect match for what we were going for in here. And then she made these Roman shades, which are blackouts. So let me take them down. This is what it looks like with the curtains down, and of course we can shut the panels as well if we wanted to, but I am just absolutely obsessed. I think that they're so simple and so pretty, and of course none of the light comes through, and then we just have these gorgeous panels as well. All right, that is everything that I'm going to show you for now. In the nursery, things are coming together. We have like 2 or 3 more things to finish up before he gets here, but I will be sharing the full organization, which I've been working on, and then also the finished nursery tour as soon as it's done. I will link everything that's in this room down below in the description box if you are looking for it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe for more, 1, the end of the nursery, but 2, we have so many home projects, and I'm going to be posting a whole like home renovation series very soon. We did a kitchen refresh, we added a bathroom upstairs, obviously the nursery, and then the SB office is almost done, so I'm going to be posting the finished office tour over there. So lots of home content coming soon, and of course I am 35 weeks pregnant, so baby's going to be here pretty soon too. There's going to be a lot more baby content. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.